So I'm Daniel, co-owner of Lighthouse. I work with my partner Lucas. Just the two of us together, we run a small custom furniture business servicing the city of Boston.
A lot of people come to us knowing they're going to get better quality, they can get the exact design that they want, an exact wood, exact color.
We looked at a lot of different tables at different furniture stores. We went to kind of all the big brands and the big names around here. We couldn't find what we wanted. So we found Lighthouse online, went and checked them out, talked to the guys. They seemed like they knew what they were doing. They were local, which is important for us. And they could make kind of a custom table that was exactly what we wanted.
A lot of our clients know that this is going to be an heirloom, that it's going to last, they can pass it to their kids, and it's just going to be an antique piece because it's hard, solid wood, and a lot of times the table's already 200 years old.
My favorite part of the Lighthouse process, besides obviously the beautiful piece that we got in the end, was really being able to go in and talk with Dan about his work and the stuff that they were doing at Lighthouse. He showed us the shop, and he showed us wood samples and products, and it was just a lot of fun to kind of be able to see the behind the scenes of what they were doing and how the countertop would be made. And really from the second that we got into the shop, I think we had made up our mind that we were definitely going to go with Lighthouse.
I think we want to be where everybody comes who wants quality, handmade, locally made, custom furniture, and especially that rustic and sort of homey feel.
They're professionals, so you're going to get a high quality piece of work. It's going to last. It's going to be something that's in your family for a long time.